Good morning, Siouxland, and welcome back with this. We've had some pretty cold conditions here for the past 8 days. You can see on the left-hand side here, those are the high temperatures that we have recorded recently. Last Wednesday, a high of 69, 59 degrees, 52 on Friday. Far below average on the right-hand side. That's where we have the typical temperature, and those have been in the 70s, but we've been far short of that value here for the last several days. It does look like, even though it is going to be a little bit warmer here today, we are still going to be on the cooler side of average. And speaking of that, we have had some pretty soggy conditions as well. A lot of rainfall, 3.5 inches approximately in Sioux City to this point in the month. Typically, we see closer to about 3 inches through the month of May. So we have had some wet weather as well to go with the cool conditions. As we look at our satellite and radar now, there are a couple of showers that are strung out along Highway 81. It does look like we carry a small chance of some passing sprinkles and showers here today. Less than 1/10 of an inch of accumulation with the rain. Again, it's not going to be too big of a deal as it moves through. We'll have some partly cloudy skies with temperatures rising into the 70s. A pretty strong wind out of the south here today. That's going to gust as high as 30 miles per hour, helping us to reach high temperatures in the mid-70s. And there you can find, again, a couple of isolated showers with that cold front just to our north and west. We can have that energy stirred up locally, so we are going to be on the lookout for a couple, again, isolated showers and maybe a thunderstorm. Moving into tomorrow, still a chance of some rain as we head into the morning hours, and then it looks like that's going to be moving to the east of Highway 71 by about 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and then we should be dry through the remainder of the day with some warm weather for Friday. Saturday, it looks like we'll be delivered with some more showers, and it looks like those will be more numerous, especially in southern Siouxland, where we could pick up as much as about a ½ inch of rain on Saturday. Yesterday's high temperature, 68 degrees, cooler than normal, 76. 45 degrees was our low. And here's a live look now at our Port Neal Welding Company SkyCam in Sioux City. As we look off to the west, you can find some of those isolated showers there with those clouds growing up, some cumulus clouds. And going ahead to our current conditions now in Sioux City, it's 48 degrees. We have a southeast wind at 9 miles per hour, the dew point at 46. Checking your temperatures, those are in the 40s and 50s. It's 50 degrees in Yankton, 52 in Norfolk, 48 your temperature in Sioux City. And as we look to the east, that's where we have some of the coolest conditions. It's 43 in Estherville and only 41 in Audubon. That's where the temperature is also closer to the dew point. We do have some pockets of fog, down to 7 miles of visibility in Estherville and also in Audubon. Otherwise, it looks like we're in pretty good shape across the rest of the map here with no visibility concerns. Looking at our wind, that is from the south and east. We have that between about 5 and 15 miles per hour, 15 in Yankton, stronger out west, and we can expect a 10 to 20 mile per hour wind this afternoon. 74 your high temperature for today, some partly cloudy skies with a couple isolated showers. Strong south winds gusting to 30 miles per hour. Tonight the overnight low is 53 degrees, and we can expect to have some decreasing clouds, a couple of rogue showers here tomorrow morning, and then it looks like the rest of the day should be mostly sunny with a high temperature of 78. Here is the 7-day forecast. On Saturday we have a better chance of seeing some more widespread rain across the area, and it does look like we'll have greater accumulations too. So kind of a soggy start to the holiday weekend here with a high of 70 degrees on Saturday, moving into the lower 70s on Sunday and Memorial Day Monday. And a little bit nicer here for next week, as it looks like we'll shed away the cloud cover on Wednesday. Sunny skies and a high temperature of 76.